Hello everybody. So, Math Boy here, and we are going to be talking about 5 things that I think are quite helpful for those that are going into year 12 this year. So if you're starting year 12, then it is recommended that first of all, it's a lot different because you have study lessons or free periods, whatever you call them, at your school, as you will find out soon enough. Now, these you can maybe, I don't know, go to Costa or I don't know, Starbucks, whatever those chains, or you can use your time wisely. What I mean by that is that you can maybe get work done, because as we know, a lot of people don't exactly do a lot of work that they should be doing in the lesson. Especially for my subject, mathematics. When I teach mathematics, I can see a lot of students who just maul about and do absolutely cock all. So please make sure that you are doing the work in the lessons, because you might have less to do in your free periods, and then you can enjoy yourself a little bit. But don't make it too enjoyable. That's what you do every time, because you need to be reviewing and recapping what you do in the lesson. So that might be consolidating your notes a little bit, or making your notes a bit better, or making them colourful, or whatever it might be. Because really in your lessons, I want you to be writing in black, first of all. But then when you write up your pretty notes, then you can make those on in your fancy colours, whatever it might be. So by the end of your first year in year 12, you'll have a year 12 revision guide that you'll be able to use in year 13 to revise from. Okay? So that's what I'm looking for there. Now, the second thing is you need to get a lot of folders. A lot of them. So, for example, I have a folder here. It is pretty battered, but you're going to need this one. So one like this. That you're going to use day in, day out. It will get battered, but you're going to use that every single day, and you put the work that you do in that day in here. When you get home, you transfer it into a bigger folder, so maybe a lever arch folder if you have those. So you can put it into that, and then you can make some nice pretty labels. If you have a Cricut, maybe. Yeah, Cricut, which can cut all sorts of anything. You can cut in a little sticker and stick it over the old one that comes with the actual thing. This is not promoted by YPL, if you're wondering. Not promoted by them. So that's one you need there. If you are maybe, I don't know, maybe doing an art project, you might want to get some like art presenting folders to present your artwork if you're doing art. But if you're doing the academic subjects, the one I've just showed you, one of them will do you fine. The third tip is that friendship groups will shift. Alright? So what you might have had in year 11, it'll be a lot different now. Alright? Because they tend to shift. Even though we're 2 years into a pandemic, it will change. And it won't always be bang on. That's what it's going to be every single year. But also, when I link into the fourth thing, every single year, this year you really need to be thinking about your degrees and what you choose to, okay? What you choose to do after you finish your A-Levels. Now, A-Levels, you've got till the end of year 13, okay? Now, after year 13, you start your degrees. If you go into down the degree road, you don't have to, but you might take a gap year. But also, I will link in the description the Primrose Kittens set of videos of Step-In Guide to University. I'll be making my own on that very soon, maybe straight after this. So make sure you stick around for that if you're interested in going to university. I'll be talking about different types of degrees that you can do. So the Bachelor of Honours you might have heard, or the Bachelor of Arts, you might have heard that as well. I'll be talking all about that in a separate video, so not this one. A guide to those that are transitioning from year 12 to year 13. Okay, A2, the second year, is a big step up So very best of luck if you're going into year 13, because don't forget you once have done an exam till year 13. We think there are going to be exams for 2022. I hope that there are exams, I really do hope. So fingers crossed for that. But yeah, this is where I want to end this video with tip number 5. And tip number 5 is enjoy yourself. Sixth form's a good time, it really is. You know, you've got things like student council you can apply for, and then you might be helping, I don't know, other people around the place. You never know. So you never know where the day's going to take you. So all I'll say is best of luck. If you're sticking with mathematics for A-level, stick around with me. If you're doing A-level further maths, stick around because there will be videos on that soon. But if you're doing maybe, I don't know, A-level physics, A-level chemistry, then go and enjoy those. But if you're doing mathematics, stick with me on the channel, and we'll be doing a lot more A-level stuff. I've got some fun stuff coming for you as well. Good little side projects I've been working on. So hopefully you'll enjoy all of that, and I shall see you very soon. Thank you very much. Math Boy is out of here. Bye bye guys.